Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all in our English language class as we have taken and completed our all literature syllabus and we are now at English language. Okay, so today we will be having our language class. 2-3 topics are left in our language syllabus, so that's why I decided to first complete it, then we will start revision of both literature and language. Okay, now this is yes. So we are having lecture number 39. Okay, and this is about the punctuation. We have already done punctuation topic, but this one is a new for you. Okay, we had so many punctuation marks. We have already done full stop, comma, and a question mark. Okay, previously, which we have already done in the first term. In the midterm exams. So now we are having these all punctuation marks in this term, in the final term, including the previous one and this new one, semicolon, colon, and quotation marks also. Okay, so these 3 punctuation marks we are going to learn today, how we have to use them, where we have to use them, and why. First of all, we are having this colons. Okay, what are colons? Colons follow independent clauses that could stand alone as sentence. Okay, all those clauses. What are clauses actually? Clauses are the part of a sentence. Okay, 2, 3, 4 different clauses separated with the comma. Okay, they made one sentence. So when we break different clauses, it becomes a sentence. So a clause is a part of a sentence. Okay, but why we are what we are learning here, that colons follow independent clauses. Okay, colons has their own independent clause, all those clauses that could stand alone as a sentence. Okay, all those clauses which can be alone in a sentence का part तो है, but sometimes when we separate them from the sentence with the colon, जब हम colon use करते हुए clause को separate करते हैं तो it become alone a sentence, वो खुद एक sentence बन जाता है. There we use colons and can be used to present an explanation. Okay, and can be used to present an explanation when we want to explain, when we want to elaborate that sentence, that clause, then also we use colons. After that, draw attention to something. Okay, to identify, to make it prominent, to make it clear, to want to have attentively and want a good attention on that something, or join ideas together, when we join different ideas together, then also we use colons. Okay, we have different uses of colons. Okay, these are not very difficult things. So colons follow independent clauses, all those clauses which can be alone a sentence. ठीक है, जिसको हम as a sentence भी consider कर सकते हैं, all those clauses. Okay, and it can be used to present an explanation. मजीद elaboration के लिए, मजीद explanation के लिए we use colon and then explain the sentence again. Draw attention to something. Okay, and to join ideas together, different ideas को join करने के लिए, to make it one. Okay, it is also called colon. Now these are some common uses of colons. Okay, number 1 is to announce, to introduce, or direct attention to a list. Okay, a noun or a pronoun की जो list होती है, or a quotation, or an example or explanation. For example, we covered many of the fundamentals in our writing classes. Okay, then we have put over here colon. What were the writing classes? Grammar, punctuation, style and voice. Okay, these are some more examples. These are some more explanation and elaboration. Okay, it is something about to announce, it is something about introduce, or getting direct attention on the list of noun or pronoun. Are you all getting? Are you all getting that? if somebody is left behind or not having the proper explanation, not having the proper idea of colons, he or she can ask me in the chat box. Okay, up till now you all are clear with that. Okay, acha. Now come to again over here. For example, we covered many of the fundamentals in our writing classes. Okay, to elaborate, to explain more this sentence, we have put colon, and then we have giving the writing classes names, which are grammar, punctuation, style, and voice. Okay. Now number 2. My roommate gave me the things I needed most. Okay, what were these things? Companionship and quiet. Clear? So we are elaborating this sentence, okay, by following this colon, and this is the elaboration of that sentence. Okay? See, two sentences are over here which are separated by the colon, okay, which are exactly the clause of the sentence. Okay, these are two clauses, but after making it or after separating it with the colon, we are having a clause which can be alone a sentence. Okay, this can be alone the sentence if we are not using this one, companionship and quiet. So my roommate gave me the things I needed most. Okay, the sentence is completed over here, but to elaborate more, to explain it more, okay, to draw some attention, to announce something, to introduce something, okay, we have put colon, and then we have elaborated, we have explained over here what were those things he needed most. That was companionship and quiet. Now second use of colon, to join the sentences. Okay, for example, life is like a puzzle. Okay, what are the second use of the colon? To join sentences. Life is like a puzzle. Half the fun is in trying to work it out. Okay, life is like a puzzle. Now how it is, how this clause or this sentence is explained more, is elaborated more, that half the fun is in trying to work it out. This is the more explained elaboration of this clause, of this first clause. Life is like a puzzle. Okay. Now number 3, to express time, okay, in titles and as part of other writing. Like with numbers, colons are used to separate units of time. 4:45, okay, means hours, minutes and seconds. For separating this time, okay, हम colon को use कर सकते हैं. Express for hours, 45 minutes and 0 seconds ratios. Okay, for the ratio is, it is also used 2:1 का ratio. Okay. Then in bibliography entries, many citations styles use a colon to separate information in bibliography entries. For example, this one, this is called the citation. ठीक है, ये references कहलाते हैं, which are used in the higher standards like masters में, और when you will be in the masters standard, और जब आप graduation में जाएंगे तो you have to make the thesis. ठीक है, उस thesis में at the end you have to prove what you are saying, okay, according to the different writers. उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जितने भी राइटर्स होते हैं उनकी बात को हम कोट करते हैं, एंड देन उसका साइटेशन, उसका रेफरेंस एट द एंड ऑफ द थीसिस, लास्ट के बैक के पेजेस पर हम उसको शो करते हैं. देन आल्सो वी यूज दिस कॉलन मार्क. ठीक है, इस तरह कॉलन मार्क यूज किया जाता है. Then with subtitles also, colons are used to separate titles from subtitles. ठीक है. Then example, Everest, the last frontier. Okay, this is called the subtitle. ठीक है, subtitles के लिए भी we also use colon. In your classwork copies also, after the heading you use this colon so many times. Okay, but this is the proper usage of the colon. You use as a subtitle. आप उसको subtitle के तौर पे use करते हैं. ठीक है. So these are some common uses of colon. Now come to the semicolon. The semicolon looks like a comma with a period above it. Period above it, period we also call full stop a period. हम full stop को period भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? Semicolon looks like a comma with a period above it, and this can be a good way to remember what it does. A semicolon creates more separation between thoughts than a comma, okay? Than a comma does, but less than a period does. Means it is in between comma and the period. Period means you have stopped what you are talking about, okay? The sentence is finished, your thought is completed. It is not completed with a semicolon. It is more than comma and less than full stop or period does. Okay? Here are the two most common uses of the semicolons. Yes. These are some uses of semicolon to help separate items in a list. Okay, when you have to separate the items of the same list, homogeneous list, then you use semicolon when some of those items already contain commas. Okay, they have already contained commas between the series of these items. नंबर 2, टू जॉइन टू सेंटेंसेस को कंबाइन करने के लिए, जॉइन करने के लिए, और टू क्लॉजेस को जॉइन करने के लिए इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वेंट टू द ग्रोसरी स्टोर टुडे, आई बॉट अ टन ऑफ फ्रूट. ओके, एप्पल, grapes and pears were on sale. This is the simple sentence. How you are using semicolon in this sentence? I went to the grocery store today. Then you don't have to put full stop, okay, because you are continuing. You are in the continuation of the elaboration of the explanation of the same sentence. ठीक है, अभी आपका सेंटेंस फिनिश तो हुआ है, बट इट कैन बी मोर इलेबोरेटेड. उसको आगे और भी एक्सप्लेन किया जा सकता है और किया जा रहा है. देन यू विल नॉट पुट फुल स्टॉप ओवर हियर. आप यहाँ फुल स्टॉप के बजाय यू कैन यूज सेमीकोलन. आई बॉट अ टन ऑफ फ्रूट, फुल स्टॉप. एप्पल्स, ग्रेप्स एंड पियर्स वर all on sale, sorry. ठीक है, so it is more than a comma and less than a period. ठीक है, that's why we use period and comma together to make it semicolon. अच्छा, now the third one is quotation marks. Okay, one of the main use of this quotation mark, you have already known about that. That you use them in direct speeches. Okay, and when you change direct speech into indirect, you remove them. Okay, by replacing with the conjunction or some preposition. Okay, so these are some quotation marks. There was a storm last night, Paul said. It is used here as a direct speech. How we use quotation marks. Okay, एक use तो आपको वैसे ही पता चलता है. Each of a set of a punctuation mark, single हो or it could be a double. Okay, here we are using single and here double. Whether it is single or whether it is double, used either to mark the beginning and end of a title or quoted passage. This is the quoted passage. Okay, when we want our subtitle, title, or the quoted passage or the quoted words more clear, more prominent, more visible, okay, then we use single or double quotation marks. Start from the beginning and end at the end of the sentence. ठीक है, जो quoted words है, quoted passage है, or it can be a quoted title, कोई heading हो सकती है. So we enclose the whole sentence, the whole title, the whole quoted passage in between quotation marks. It can be double or single. Or to indicate that a word or phrase is regarded as slang or jargon, or is being discussed rather than used within the sentence. Okay, or is being discussed rather than used in the sentence. Sentence में use के अलावा के बजाय, sorry, sentence में use के अलावा it is being discussed. उस चीज के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस किया जा रहा है. Whether it is a slang words, it's a jargon, इट्स अ कोटेड वर्ड, कोटेड पैसेज भी हो सकता है, टाइटल भी हो सकता है, इसको डिस्कस ज्यादा किया जा रहा है एज rather than used within the sentence. Okay, so these are the quotation marks. Acha, up till now, is there any problem with the explanation, because we are now going to start the exercise related to these punctuation marks. So if you people are having any problem, yes, they are easy, but when you will be using them into a sentence कि कहाँ colon आना है, कहाँ semicolon आना है, okay, you will be confused. Quotation marks is not a big deal, ठीक है, ये तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. बट कॉलन और सेमीकोलन में जो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, it makes confusion. Okay, now I want you all to take out your copies and books also. Open your copies and books, and Sheroz, you should tell me what is the last topic we have done in the language, so that we will get on the same board, each section with each group. It will be easier for me or for you also how much we are left behind with the groupings. क्योंकि ग्रुप्स में हम कितना आगे कितना पीछे हैं ये मुझे पता चल जाएगा. अच्छा, yes Sheroz, what is the last topic we have done?
Miss, the last topic in language was direct and indirect speech.
Okay, about imperative request commands wala topic.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Thank
That
you.
was the last.
Everybody is in the same boat that we have done direct and indirect of imperative. Have we all done that? If somebody is left behind, except if he is not absent, okay, all those, I'm not talking about the absentees जो last days में absent हैं, उनसे मुझे नहीं जानना, but all those who were regular, they were present on the last days, so all they are on the direct and indirect. Have you all done that, the exercise of direct and indirect? If someone is left behind, then he or she can tell me. Okay, now make index. Everybody note down the index first. Okay, you will be writing punctuation. Okay, you will be giving the heading of punctuation. Index की ही बात कर रही हूँ. I'm talking about the index. First, give the heading of punctuation. Punctuation की heading के बाद you have to write down the page numbers of this exercise. Page number 15, 16 and 17. Page number 15, 16 and 17. Okay. In your books also, open it. Page number 15, 16 and 17. After writing down the index, you have to come to the main page where you have to start the work. You have to make the title page. Okay, and in the title page you have to write down like this. We will be writing down punctuation. Okay, punctuation का title page देने के बाद you have to write down the punctuations what we are going to do. ठीक है, हम कौन सी punctuations कर रहे हैं ये भी आपने वहां mention करना है. ठीक है, you have to write down colon like this, semicolon like this. Okay. And then quotation marks. और quotation marks के आगे you have to give this quotation marks symbol. क्योंकि चाहे तो आप इसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर कर लें. Okay. पेज बन रहा है। Do it, Katya. Yes, I hope you all have made the title page as I told you over here. Plus, you have noted down the index also. Okay, okay, fine. Now, come to page number 15 first. Okay. There are exercise 2B and 2C. Okay, we have to do exercise 2B and 2C. Maybe exercise 2B which is not written on the book. Exercise 2B की heading I think so वहाँ mention आपको नजर नहीं आएगी because it's there is some misprinting. ठीक है, page number 15 it is. See, grammar and usage. Okay, some punctuation marks are there. The semicolon. First, it is talking about the semicolon. The semicolon is used to mark a pause longer than is shown by a comma, but not so long as is shown by a full stop. Okay, same thing that it is more than comma and less than full stop. See, for example, he went home, semicolon, he changed the clothes, then again semicolon, then he left again. Okay, then full stop. A semicolon is used instead of a full stop when the statements or commands are very closely connected with each other in meaning. Okay, clear? The semicolon differs from the full stop in two ways. The semicolon cannot be used at the very end of a sentence. Clear? It is not used to stop the sentence, to end the sentence. It is not used to end the sentence. The statement of command after the semicolon begins with a small letters. Okay, after putting full stop we use capital letter, but after semicolon use we don't use capital letter, we use small letters, and it is less than full stop. Reread the two examples above and note three things. A semicolon is in the middle. Okay, it is not at the very end of the sentence. The full stop is at the end. The small letters after the semicolon. These are the main points. Now come to page number 16. Okay, now come to the exercise. There is no heading on it, but it is exercise number 2B. Okay, ये हमारी exercise 2B है. Copy the following sentences using colons in the right places. Now you have to use semicolons, sorry, colons in the right places. आपको semicolons की clarification दे दी, then colons की clarification दे दी. Now you have to use the colons in these sentences. आपने सिर्फ colons को use करना है, semicolons को use नहीं करना. Okay. Now mark out the points 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, which I have written on the screen also. You have to complete only these 5 points of exercise 2B. Mention exercise 2B over there. अगर आपकी बुक में भी मिसप्रिंटिंग है तो वहां पर भी कर लीजिए. And in the copies also. Write down the page number also, exercise number also. Rida Rahim, title page will be as simple as you always made. Punctuation के नीचे colon, semicolon and quotation marks. This is the title page. See. Okay, now come to page number 16. You have to copy down the following sentences and rewrite them to you by using colons in the right places. How you will be using? Let's start with the one. Yes. We saw some nice things. Okay. We saw some nice things. What were the nice things? Pictures, calendars, and colored plates. Okay. So where we have to put colon here, after we saw some nice things. After things you have to put colon. Okay, I am writing over here also. Yes. मैं एक यहाँ सॉल्व करके आपको बताती हूँ. ठीक है. Number 1 is we saw some nice things. You have to rewrite this sentence. Okay, first you have to write down the question sentence, then उसके आंसर में आपने ये complete लिखना है. We saw some nice things. What were the nice things? Pictures. See, full stop के बाद automatically, okay, first letter capital हो जाता है normally. Okay, in the Word document also, in this PowerPoint also. Okay, then we use full stop at the end, so the next letter, the very next letter will be always capital. But here, see, the computer is not also giving the first letter capital. It is always single because it is less than full stop and more than comma. Okay, semicolon or colon usage are very similar to each other. Pictures. Okay, pictures के बाद comma. And what were the other thing? Pictures, calendars and colored plates. Clear? Now the full stop will be put over there as the sentence is completed. Now come to the number 3rd point. My uncle has 2 children, Ho Guan and Cheng Lin. Okay, so my uncle has 2 children. Okay, then we will put here colon. Then you will be writing the names of the children. Okay, जो भी उनके बच्चों के name. So I hope you all are understood about this exercise. Okay, you have to complete 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, alternate odd numbers. Odd number points you have to do 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 as I have mentioned over here. Okay, I'm giving you some time to complete it as we have 10 minutes more. Okay, अभी हमारे पास 10 minutes का time है. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to do this exercise. This exercise to complete कर लीजिए, then we will go forward. Cheryl, of which exercise you are talking? 2C, yes, 2C has 15 points. 2C exercise has got 15 points. Okay, मैं उनमें से आपको अच्छा, okay, fine. I am wrong. Right. This is 15. Okay, this is not 16. 15 ही Obviously, Sania, how do we do the work in our classwork? हम कैसे क्लास में काम करते हैं? Have you all forgot? हम पहले क्वेश्चन कॉपी डाउन करते हैं, देन क्वेश्चन पॉइंट विद द बिट नंबर वी कॉपी डाउन एंड देन उसका आंसर लिखते हैं ना. I have always told you to write as it is mentioned in the book. Okay, जिस तरह बुक में गिवन है उसी तरह लिखना है आपने. अच्छा, नाउ कम टू एक्सरसाइज 2C. I hope you all are understood exercise 2B. Okay, इसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा बाद में. These are very simple and only you have to put colons over here. Semicolons तो आपने यूज ही नहीं करने. ठीक है, you just have to put colons over there और फिर उसकी elaboration दी हुई होगी. Now come to page number 17, exercise 2C at the top of the page. Okay, the exercise 2C is starting from the top of the page. Halima, 15, 16 and 17. Okay, The pages are 15, 16 and 17. 15 पे कोई exercise नहीं है. You have to start from page number 16 or it is exercise 2B. ठीक है? This is page number 16 and this is page number 17. Clear? Now come to exercise 2C. और मैं I am giving you some these numbers. Bit numbers को अपने पास point out कर लीजिए. That you have to do only 3, 6, 10, 12 and 15. 3, 6, 10, 12 and 15. Okay, how you have to do this? You have to use quotation marks, commas, capital letters also. Okay, you have to write down the question first. The question is write the following sentences punctuating them fully. Okay, maybe this word is misprinted in your books. It is punctuating them fully. Remember to use capital letters when necessary. Now come to number 3 point. She asked, is there a telephone in this house? Okay, how you will do this? I'm starting from here, exercise 2C. Okay, यहाँ से मैं exercise 2C की solution solve कर रही. It is number 3 and what is it? She asked. Okay, she asked, then you have to put comma first, then inverted commas will be started. Okay, आप पहले comma देंगे, then you have to start inverted commas because what she's asked, what was the question? Is there a telephone in this house? Okay, so you have to put is का I will be capital. Is there a telephone in this house? Okay, then you have to put question mark at the end and then inverted commas will be closed. ठीक है? Is there any confusion in this sentence solution? इसमें किसी को कोई confusion है? Yes, it is very easy. But when you people start solving it in the papers, in your MPs or tests, तो फिर वहाँ आप आगे confuse हो जाते हैं. Okay, number 3 is there. Now we should come to the next bit number. Okay, and write down the bit numbers as it is written in the book. Okay, अपने वाली series number 1, 2, 3, 4 you don't have to mention. You have to mention 3. Then after 3 you have to solve 6. He said you are very kind. Okay, number 6 is he said, comma, inverted commas open, YOU. Now you have to use capital letter where it is necessary. You are very kind, full stop and then question mark. You have to also be very careful that which type of sentence is it? Is it question? Is it a simple sentence to put period at the end or it is a question to put at the end a question mark? Okay, ये आपने बिल्कुल अच्छी तरीके से याद रखना है. Then you have to close the inverted commas. पहले sentence की type of sentence के according you have to stop the question or stop the sentence. अगर simple है तो obviously it will be question full stop or a period at the end. Or अगर it is an interrogative sentence, so you have to put question mark and then you have to close the inverted commas. Okay. Now come to the next point. अच्छा, as we are having a very short time, okay, एक और solve कर लेते हैं, which is 9, 3, 6 and 10. Okay, so we should do 10. Okay, 10 is he said you are all welcome. He said, then you have to put comma first, inverted commas will be open. You are all welcome. Again, you, Y will be capital. You are all welcome. Then full stop and then question, inverted commas close. Okay, you have to remember, you should be very careful that which type of sentence is it, whether we have to put period at the end of the sentence, whether we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence, where we have to put comma before starting quotation marks. Okay, quotation marks से पहले always you have to put comma. Okay, we have done direct and indirect, so you all know this thing. Okay. Achha, is there any confusion, any problem? Okay, your MP has been posted. Okay, maybe some students has solved that and some are left also. Okay, is there any problem in this type of sentences? इसको आगे read कर लीजिए at least. जो 2 points we haven't solved over here, just read it out so that if you have got any problem regarding that, after the class it will be solved here right now. My father said, of course you may. I said, not more than 2 hours. There is no question over here in this exercise 2C. Okay, जो मैंने point करवाए हैं आपको mark 3, 6, 10, 12 and 15. There is no question, another question over here. बस एक ही question था in which we have to put at the end question mark and then use inverted commas close. Then 6 में it is a simple sentence, then period. Okay. 5 to be 5. Just wait. 2B का 5. I saw a sign which read turn right. I saw a sign after this sentence, this clause. After, sorry, I saw a sign के बाद यहाँ column देंगे. Okay, I saw a sign colon which read turn right. Because these are two clauses जहाँ एक clause end हो रहा होता है, then there we use colon. Okay, हम एक sentence या एक clause की ending पे colon use करते हैं. I saw a sign colon which read turn right. Which read के बाद you can use comma. Okay, आप वहाँ comma use कर सकते हैं which read turn right से पहले. C का 12. I said no, not more than 2 hours. What is difficult in it, Vania? I said के बाद you have to use like this comma, then you will open inverted commas. I said comma, inverted commas open, not more than 2 hours, not the n will be capital. Okay, not more than 2 hours, then full stop and inverted commas close. Is that okay? Or should I write on the screen में लिखकर बताऊं? Vanya, is it okay or लिखकर बता दूं? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, this is all about today's topic. I hope you will complete these exercises. Okay, with the page number, with proper index, and I have also given you in the physical classes traffic problems. An essay about traffic problem. ठीक है, उसका homework I will write. I will give you today. आज आपका homework day है, तो I will be giving you the homework also. Okay, you have to complete that essay. Some points, some web points I have given over there. Okay, I hope you all understood. We will meet inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz to you all.